Hello, coding stars! Welcome back to another exciting adventure in ScratchJr. Today, we're adding some sparkle to your projects by customizing characters and setting up amazing backgrounds. Whether you want to pick a ready-made background or design your own, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and make your projects truly unique. Every story needs amazing characters, and ScratchJr gives you the tools to create them. Let's explore how to add and customize characters for your projects. Click on the blue happy character to open a treasure chest of fun characters, animals, people, and even silly creatures. Pick your favorite and bring them onto the stage. Want to make your character even more unique? Use the paint editor to add hats, glasses, or even funky shoes. Your creativity is the only limit. Add 2 characters to your stage, maybe a rabbit and a butterfly. Resize them so the butterfly is small and the rabbit is big. What kind of story will they create together? Now that you've got your characters, it's time to give them an amazing place to play. ScratchJr lets you choose a ready-made background or design one yourself. Tap the background icon, then scroll through the library to find beautiful options like a sunny meadow, a starry sky, or a busy city. Just pick your favorite and click to set it as your stage. Feeling artistic? Tap the paintbrush to open the background editor. Use colorful tools to draw a forest, a space galaxy, or even a beach with sparkling water. Add some clouds, trees, or stars to make it extra special. Once you've chosen or designed your background, hit the check mark to save it. Your characters now have the perfect setting to explore. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to create entire worlds for your coding adventures. Whether you're choosing ready-made designs or unleashing your creativity in the paint editor, your projects will be truly one of a kind. Great work today, coding stars! You've learned how to add characters and set up amazing backgrounds either by picking from the library or designing your own. I can't wait to see the magical worlds you'll create. See you in the next lesson for even more ScratchJr fun. Happy coding!